Hello everyone, it's Larry from Amitime. I'm already here 3 years.
Q1. What are the biggest global market opportunities for heat pump products?
The heat pump market is growing very fast right now, and Europe is still the biggest market. And countries like Germany, France, and the UK are stopping the use of gas boiler and giving people money to switch to heat pumps. So the demand is very strong. North America is also growing quickly. The US now offers tax benefits for heat pump buyer, and Canada is doing the same. Australia is a great market too because people need both heating and domestic hot water. That's exactly what heat pumps are good at. We also see more and more interest from Southeast Asia and the Middle East. So the opportunity is global and it's getting bigger every year.
Q2. When cooperating with overseas clients on heat pump OEM projects, what core needs do most clients focus on? And how does Amitime meet these needs?
First is quality. In our product, we use top-level components from our best supplier, such as swap plate heat exchanger, high compressor, ground force water pump. We also have 2 factories in China with 60 testing labs in total. So we make sure every product has high performance and strong reliability. Second is price. China has the best supply chain in heat pump industry. That means we can offer high quality at a very competitive price. It's hard to find this combination anywhere else. We've been in Europe heat pump market for 23 years. We know what works in different markets, and we can help our clients design products with better look and function for their local market.
Q3. How does Amitime care about export salesperson's growth? And how does this help you serve overseas clients?
Every year, we attend the major HVAC exhibition around the world. AHR in US, MC in Italy, Splash in Australia. We will go there in this year, and also Canton Fair in China, and more. As long as you want to go, even new team members, you can get a chance. Back in the office, we have a country month every month. The whole team sits together to study one country, its heat pump policies, market trends, and the business opportunities. So this is help us really understand each market in deep. On top of that, the company brings the professional trainer for us, covering everything from sales skill to business etiquette. All of this not just for personal growth, it means when we sit in front of clients, we can offer truly professional service and real market knowledge. So that's what makes our clients to trust us.